super easy and mega tasty sheet pan tray fajita. Anyway, this is how I do my garlic. I've got a little bit of oil and salt, and I make a little mushroom shape with tin foil, pop it in the oven at 220 degrees. Actually, it's quite sad there. And then I'm just going to trim off some excess fat from these chicken thighs, which I'll save for the dogs later. There's a little doody. We're going to chop those into strips. If you want, you can use chicken breast, you could use tofu, tempeh, you can use whatever you want. These are all the herbs and spices. Just look up in the recipe, they're all there. Or you could use a pre-made like fajita mix. And then in this pan, we're going red peppers, red onion, green peppers, yellow peppers, and the chicken. I'm giving it a little spray with oil and then give that a really good mix so it looks something like this. Look at all those beautiful colours. Pop that in the oven at 220 degrees, and then we're going to make our sauce. So here I've got parsley and some mint. I'm going to chop it up roughly. If you want to go finer, you can go finer. And now the garlic's also roasted. I'm going to squeeze out that lovely roasted garlic. And then here we've got some Greek yogurt. This is full fat, but you could use whatever you like, natural yogurt, mayonnaise. But I prefer Greek yogurt, to be honest. And then we've got lemon juice. I've got a few pips in there as well, but I don't mind. And then that is it. That's the sauce made. And now the chicken's ready and you are good to go. All you've got to do now is stick it in a wrap with some sauce, roll it up and enjoy. This is so easy and so yummy.